Morning everyone. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make a bed. This is one that my daughter's just woke up from. So first of all, let's move everything off. Give it a good dust down. Okay. And then we're going to fluff the pillows. There we go. And then next it's the quilt. So place your quilt on your bed. And then we need to give it a good shake. Make sure all the corners are all level. Okay. And then if you're anything like my daughter, she may have some extra pillows. Just scatter them around, make it look nice. And there we go.